Hi there, Seven. Welcome to our first virtual assembly after the half term. There's some really important messages that I need to convey with you today, so please listen to them, especially with your parents as well, because there's lots of important information today about the return to school in just a couple of weeks' time. So just listen really carefully. This is what we're going to discuss today. Just a quick welcome back. I'm going to outline the expectations that we have of you over the next couple of weeks as a school. I'll then talk about reopening plans from March the 8th. And finally, a really important message about COVID-19 testing for when you do return to school and the actions that you and your parents need to take immediately just to help out with that and to make sure that all goes smoothly. So the very first thing I just wanted to say is welcome back to school. We did return to school on Monday, but I do hope that you had a really good week off and that you really enjoyed it and that you relaxed as much as possible after what was a very demanding and tough half term, working online and working on all of your online lessons. A lot of you have done absolutely fantastically in that first half term, and you've been an absolute credit to the school for your hard work and for engaging in all of your lessons and making sure your learning hasn't been disrupted. So I hope that you had a really restful half term and you got to enjoy the things you enjoyed doing. But welcome back now. I hope you feel like refreshed and energized and ready to go again. We've only got a couple of weeks of virtual learning and we will be back in the classroom and it will be really good to see you then. So our expectations of you over the next couple of weeks. We return to school on Monday and there will be there will be a physical return to school from March the 8th. We will keep you posted about the exact return to school, and I will explain why in just a moment. But until we do return to the classroom, you are still expected to continue with your home learning. Okay, so everything that you have been doing so far continues until you come back to the classroom. So you will still have work to do on Show My Homework, and you will still have your live lessons with your teachers on Microsoft Teams, and you will still have pre-recorded lessons that you will need to complete. So you are expected to keep going on at the moment as though you had been before half term. So please do keep going with your online learning. And do keep engaging in those lessons. So it's important that you are still doing that because you are still technically at school. You are just doing it from home, albeit virtually. So please do continue to engage with that work. Do continue to submit your work on Show My Homework. Do continue to message your teachers if there are any issues on Microsoft Teams or on Show My Homework. So reopening plans. It has been announced that schools are to reopen from March the 8th. Now, the exact return to school is being reviewed by the school at the moment because we have to organise COVID-19 tests for students and staff before we can reopen. So that needs to be part of the reopening plan, which means that we're not too sure when the exact return to the classroom will be. It will be sometime from March the 8th. It's still being decided by the school at the moment. So we will let you know those details as soon as possible. So all I could say is parents, keep looking at your emails because we will let you know very soon. And in next week's assembly, there will be much more detailed guidance about the return to school, what that means, and what you have to do. One important thing I do want to say that we do know about schools reopening is that it is going to be a legal requirement to wear a mask in all spaces indoors. So that does mean in classrooms, in corridors, in the canteens if they are open, in areas where it is hard to socially distance. So everywhere where it is hard to socially distance, and that does mean everywhere indoors, it is a legal requirement for students to wear masks. So it is really important that you are coming to school with a mask, and also I would suggest a second mask as well, just in case your first one does break. Okay, it is, or you lose it, for example. It is really, really important that you are following that because it is the law, and we do require that to be done. So please make sure you are bringing a mask with you and you are prepared to wear that throughout all of your lessons that are indoors. This is another important thing that I wanted to discuss with you. The other thing we do know about reopening is that COVID-19 testing of students and staff are going to happen when we return to school. Now, it's not mandatory, but it is strongly, strongly encouraged that every student and every staff member does receive a COVID-19 testing before they return to the classroom. Okay, this is really important because we know that COVID-19 can be asymptomatic and it can be passed on by people who are asymptomatic. So it's important that we actually identify any cases to ensure that we can keep everyone's learning going. So we don't want to be in a situation where we have to close classes or year groups. So it's really important that we do identify these cases when we can. So we will be expected to have, I think, 3 tests for COVID-19 when we come back. To do that, though, we do require parental consent. So there is a form that needs to be completed by all parents. That link has been sent to you in emails before by the head teacher, and also you can find that link in the description of this video below. That parental consent does need to be returned by Friday, the 26th of February. So, Year 7, if you are watching, please get your parents to do that. Parents, if you're watching, please do that if you haven't done so already. Okay. Your consent can be withdrawn at any time by emailing the admin team. But we do strongly encourage you to do that. If you don't, students will still return to school anyway, but it is just something that is very strongly advised. So all I can say for now is that there are more details to come. Please keep an eye on your emails, parents, because there will be more emails about reopening and firm plans about when your son or daughter will come back to school and to the classroom, and when their COVID-19 tests will be happening, and so on. So just keep an eye out. Next week's assembly will be on much more detailed plans about how the return to school will go. So do keep an eye on that. But as I say, for now, the most important thing at the moment is to keep working hard on the lessons that you have on Show My Homework and on Microsoft Teams. So thank you, 7. I'll catch up with you again next week. Take care, and I hope all of your learning goes well.